we have a series of people. Do you know them? Let's see. Will we know the knowledge, or will we have the knowledge of nationalities? Questions with the verb to be. So I'm going to ask you the questions. Who? Since we're talking about a person, we use who. Who is she? Okay, anybody knows? Try to answer from there, your computer. Okay, yes, you guessed it right. She's Shakira. So, or say, we have this is Shakira. If I ask you, where, since we're talking about a place, where is Shakira from? Okay, do you know? Is there any fan of Shakira following this video? Okay, good. So we have Colombia. So she is from Colombia. So if we ask about a nationality, finishes with an A, so that would be a vowel ending. So what is her nationality? Correct. That would be Colombian. Okay, so if I say what, if I ask about her profession, her job, what is her job? Okay, so we say what is her job? You can say she is a musician. She is a musician. Perfect. Let's see to those other people that are soccer fans. We have two people that most people that even they don't like soccer. Even if they don't like soccer, they tend to know who they are. Do you know who this handsome fellow is? Who is he? He correct. Can you guess? Right. Very good. That is Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay. If I ask you, where is Ronaldo from? Okay. Let's see. He's wearing his national jersey. His national jersey from the national team. So where's he from? Okay. So we have Portugal. He's from Portugal. Okay. If he's from Portugal, finishes with a consonant, that's most likely that he has an ending as H, CH, or ESC. So, what is his nationality? Portuguese, correct? And we already know, like his colleague in the next picture, he's a soccer player, so I'm not going to ask that. How about this other guy? Not my personal favorite, but many people like him a lot. So, who is he? Or I can say what? What is his name? Has his name or his last name on the back of his jersey says Messi. So it's Lionel Messi. Where is Lionel Messi from? Okay, can you guess it? He's not from Barcelona. That's where he plays. He's from Argentina. So if he's from Argentina, what is his nationality? Finishes with an A. Argentina. Is it Argentina or Argentinian? Hmm. Okay, sounds better Argentinian. So you guessed it right. He's Argentinian. So he's an Argentinian soccer player. Okay, and on the last picture, who is this guy? While I'm doing this video, this guy is stepping inside of Mexico this particular day. So, do you know who he is? What's his name? If you don't know him, his name is Evo Morales. Okay, do you know what's his job or what his job was? Well, he's a politician. Okay, so where is this person from? Can you guess it? Are you aware of any international affairs recently? Oh yes, he's from Bolivia. So if he's from Bolivia, how do we say his name? He's Evo Morales from Bolivia. So what's his nationality? Can you guess it? Bolivia finishes with an A and it has an A, I, A. So that's likely that It uses an IAN, so he is Bolivian. Great. So we're talking about nationalities of people, but what if we talked about nationalities of things? The next category. So we have the following. Here we have two cars. The first one is an FA Spider. Can you guess what type of car it is? So what is the car? Check. We don't use who, but instead we say what. What is the car? So it is a Ferrari. Very good. If you're a lover for adrenaline, you must know about this information. So where's the Ferrari from? Where do they make these cars? You know? Okay, can you guess? Make a wild guess. So they make them in Italy or in Italy. Remember what we mentioned. Eta, intermediate T between the two vowels. Americans, they use it like an R. Eta, Italy. Okay. But if you're talking about a British accent, you can say it's a, like a T, Italy, right? So, what is the nationality of this car? It's Italian. Check how the stress changes. Italian. It's an Italian. Even both British and American, it's Italian. Not Italian, Italian. It's an Italian car. Let's go to our next category. Here we have a Jetta. Do you know where the Jetta is manufactured? Where do they make the Jettas? Can you guess? It's from Germany. So what is the nationality of this car? So this is a German car. It's a German car. Perfect. Now, look at this peculiar character. Do you know what it is? It's a leprechaun. Can you say that word? Leprechaun? Okay, good. So where's the leprechaun from? If you know of many folk tales, the leprechauns are from Ireland. There's a cultural note. Usually, the land or any country that finishes with the land, or most of them anyways, they suppress the suffix or the ending land, and they just use the basic word plus the ending ish. So if I say Ireland, we drop the land and we say Irish. So the nationality is Irish. This fella is Irish. Finally, we have a little animal here. Can you tell me what this animal is? Okay, this is a kangaroo. So what it is a kangaroo. Where's the kangaroo from? It's very, very endemic. It's from a specific place. The country's name is, you got it right. Very good, Australia. Can you say it? Australia? Great. So, what is this little animal's nationality? If it's Australia, it should be Australian. It already has an A and well, sorry, it's an IA, so it has an IAN ending. Australian. Perfect. So let's check. We have a series of flags here. So I have an extra task for my students over there in my classes. If you want some extra credit, I would recommend that you check these countries. And if you bring the country plus the nationality, I'll give you extra credit for the activities for this unit. For example, we already know Mexico, or mention Mexico, Mexican. The United States of America, it's American. Some of them are very easy. We already know UK. How do we call people from the UK? United Kingdom, they are from the Great Britain, so that would be British. We have Finland, like we mentioned, have Ireland, we drop the land and use Irish. Finland would be the same. We drop the land and we say Finnish or Finn. we have those two options. Many people like to be called Finns. He's Finn. Or if we talk about things, it would be Finnish. Jamaica, Jamaican, and that's all the help that you will get. So if you want some extra credit, take note of this and bring it to the class before the bimester is over. I'll give you some extra points for this. Okay, moving on, I will have just one more thing. If we go back to our main topic of nationalities, I'll give you an extra question. Do you know where this place is? Can you tell me where this place is? The country, what it is, the country and the nationality. I'll give you extra credit, but not for the activities, but I'll give you extra credit for your exam for the bimester. Well, so if you know that, you already have two extra activities to work with. Okay, so with this, I will be signing off. Enjoy the rest of the weekend, and I'll see you here in our class, or if anytime that you have any doubts, you can check this section for videos. So this is your teacher signing off. Goodbye.